G'day, it's Phil here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a mail call. I've got a little bit of mail from subscribers, and I've got some other mail for products that I've bought. So let's get into the mail. Got some boxes here and a couple of other pieces. I'll pull the other pieces to the side. This is the subscriber or the viewer mail. Phil finds and collects GPO Box 2625, Melbourne 3001. That is my PO box that you can send mail to if you're interested. It's in my description. It's on the video thumbnail. GPO Box 2625, Melbourne 3001. And this is from a viewer, so we will open it up. See what we have here. Don't use the sharp knife, we use the letter opener. So we've got here black card, so forth. Thank you. Oh, I've got a thank you note. Here we go. Oh, look at that. So we have, thank you. Dear Phil, just a quick note to say thank you for your support and publicity of our first stamps, coins, and collectibles fair here in Locksport. Oh, this is from Christine and Michael. Overall, it was a good day. Our next event will be the 18th of January, 2025. Wow, we look forward to seeing you. Enclosed is a little something for you. Kind regards, Christine and Michael. Christine and Michael, thank you very, very much. Look, we have the uncirculated mint condition commemorative bicentennial coin struck in 1988 by the Royal Australian Mint. We have the tall ships, which, you know that I like certain coins. The tall ships is definitely one of those. So here we go, limited edition 50-cent commemorative coin issued by the Royal Australian Mint. Reverse is designed by Mike Tracy and depicts a grand square rigged vessel set against an early map of Australia. The obverse shows the effigy of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II as portrayed by Raphael McCloof. Sealed in mint condition, we trust you will treasure this commemorative coin as a salute to our maritime heritage and the arrival of the first European settlers some 200 years ago. And definitely something that I very much enjoy. And apart from the year set, I do not have an uncirculated mint condition commemorative tall ships. So very, very happy to be getting that. Thank you very, very much, Christine and Michael. Very much appreciated. And it's not a big thing to just tell people about what's going on around the traps. Don't need to have big publicity, but that is the way it goes. But thank you very, very much indeed. And now we have another piece of mail. I think it is something I bought on eBay. So let me have a look. It has an eBay invoice, so I'll remove that, and we will see a blank piece of paper and a thank you note from the bank note vault and an eBay sticker. What have we got here? What did I purchase here? There's a number of coins in here. I think I know what this one is. This is one of the ones I've been trying to get. I'm trying to get them in color. I think this is the one I tried to get in color. This might be something I've talked about in the past, which is trying to get all of the Royal Australian Mint created or designed and minted coloured coins, not only the $2 coins, but all the other ones that they have minted as well. And one of the ones that they have minted for other countries is the APEC coin from Papua New Guinea. I don't think this is the coloured one. This is very, very great condition. This is a 50 toa from Papua New Guinea, and it is for, yes, the APEC Papua New Guinea in Port Moresby in 2018. At the time that I bought this, I couldn't find the coloured version of this, because I do like, as I say, coloured coins, especially created by the Royal Australian Mint. There's a few of those here. So I've got, I think it was 5 that I purchased on eBay, trying to find the coloured one. It took me a significantly long period of time, so we'll try and keep those grubby fingers off it. That down there, see if we can keep it on camera, but move it away. And I'm hopeful that the next one that I open, the next letter, will be it, because I finally was able to find pretty sure I was finally able to find it. This is from Tony. No, this is not the coloured one. Did I get the coloured one already? I must go back and check. This is some florins. When I was creating my changeover video, the changeover explainer video, I was looking through all the pre-decimal coins, and I found that I didn't have, and I don't usually have very many pre-decimal coins. I didn't have any of the commemorative ones, and here we have the 1954 florin, commemorative 1954 florin. It's the Royal Visit, that one, the Royal Visit of Queen Elizabeth. And then the other one that I picked up was, yeah, this is the 1951 Jubilee of Federation. So we have the Centenary of Federation in 2001, but this was 50 years, the Jubilee of Federation. There is another one, I think the pre-1938 update in the florin. The maybe another two. There is the Parliament House, Melbourne Parliament House, but florins, commemorative florins that I've got that goes along with my other standard florins, but very, very nice. I'm sure I've got one of these coloured ones. But I'll have to check if I've already done that mail or if it's still coming in the mail. And that was it for what looks like eBay purchases. I'll take that out of the way. Now I've got a box, and I'm pretty sure this is my latest Royal Australian Mint purchase. Something that I thought I had bought and wasn't sure that I had bought it. But now it's turned up. So happy days. We'll get into that. Not cut ourselves. There we go. Another invoice that we'll take out of the way. Some paper, tissue paper. What is this? So these are dragon coins. I did get them. The uncirculated 2-coin set. Here's that I've got 2 of those. Here's that I've bought 2 of those. But this is, yes, $1 coins. You know I love my $1 coins. And there we have the 2024 Lunar Series Year of the Dragon, the uncirculated 2-coin set. So I love my $1. And the other dragon coin that I got from the Royal Australian Mint was a 50-cent piece. So there we go. Try not to put my face on camera again. We have the 2 $1 Year of the Dragon coins. The 2 different reverses there. Very, very nice looking coins. We have 2024 Lunar Series in a very nice plastic card like the others. But there we go. And I got 2 of those. So happy to be able to get 2 of those. And that's pretty much it. So, Royal Australian Mint product as well. And the other Royal Australian Mint product that I wanted to show you, this is going to be a quick video, is the Tooth Fairy coin. Now, in one of my recent videos, I talked about the Tooth Fairy coming out as per the Royal Australian Mint determination. Then it came out. There was a ballot that came out, I think it was May the 1st, ballot that we had for the Tooth Fairy kit, which you buy through the Royal Australian Mint on their EQL ballot system. These are the Tooth Fairy carded coins, and they could only be got, I believe, through the RAM Royal Australian Mint dealership network, and so I've got one of those. So we have the $2 2024 uncirculated Tooth Fairy coin, and the very first with Charles III's effigy there. Very, very nice. And the details, the specifications, unlimited mintage, which just means that they're not going to set a limit, but they will continue to manufacture them in this year while there is call for them. So we won't find out how many of these are until next year, probably about November 2025 when the annual report comes out. But I'm a $2 collector, so I'm going to get that. And so we have the Tooth Fairy in $2. We have the Dragon $1 aluminium bronze coin set. Got a couple of very nice commemorative florins, gift from a viewer, Christine and Michael. Thank you very, very much. Tall ships in uncirculated condition. And I got a couple of these APEC coins without colour. I need to go back and find out if I've actually got the coloured one there. See how that goes. I think I might have done that already. I'll go back and have a look. But whoops, sorry about that. Sorry that I had to have a bit of a jump cut there. After packing up all of my new coins, I have found another envelope, and I knew I had it somewhere. So we talked about the Papua New Guinea 50 Toa, the Port Moresby APEC in 2018, and I found another eBay envelope, and I was sure that I had received this, so I'll have to open this up on camera. Let's insert this inside the video that I've already made. A Merry Christmas card, that's always handy. And show this coin. This is the coin that I have been looking for quite some time, and it sort of completes my collection of coloured coins created or issued by the Royal Australian Mint from the Solomon Islands to Australia and Papua New Guinea. So there we have it. That's the APEC. It's not uncirculated. It's been circulated, which is quite... I'm quite happy to get this, because this particular coin is only 200,000 of these. According to the Royal Australian Mint, they only created 200,000 of these coloured APEC Australia coins. And so to get it, if it was actually circulated and not just kept uncirculated by the general populace, to find one of these 200,000 coins is very difficult. So that's the uncoloured one, and they made, I think, a million of those. Quite a number of these ones, but that is the coloured one. The coloured rings, 2018, still part of the creating very nice coloured coins. Like that, not in the light like that. See the rainbow. But there it is. I inserted that here. Hopefully that will close out my mail now for that month. But thank you very much. Get back to the rest of the video. That's pretty much it for this month's current mail call. I just wanted to get the mail call from my viewer out into the open and say thank you very, very much, Christine and Michael, for sending me something in the mail. Much, much appreciated. But as you know, I'll be back for more noodling in a day or so. So I'll see you then. Bye.